In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take out your passion twist and save time. Hey y'all, welcome back to my video. Let's go ahead and take this hair down. Ooh. I'm so sad to be seeing my passion twist go because they are literally giving me a life, and I love them, and they're so lightweight. And I have multiple videos on passion twist, how to stop, how to prep your hair for passion twist, 5 styles for passion twist. I'm just like all over the passion twist trend right now, but unfortunately it is time to take the passion twist down, and I'm so sad because look, they just like bring me so much life. But I'm going to be showing you how to do this fast and effectively. So if you know the length of your hair, you can obviously cut them. I'm just going to be showing you how I take them down to save time. So after a while, it does get pretty like knotted at the ends. I was in a lot of water. I was just all over the place, but I like to start at the bottom, unravel to the top, and I do have the rubber bands here, and so the fastest way for me would be to cut the rubber band or just pop the rubber band, which I'm just gonna do. The rubber band is strong, okay. And then after the rubber band is popped, I'm just gonna pull my hair through out like this, very gently. Like that, and then bam. And look, the hair is still holding on. All right, let's do another one. So I thought this would be helpful because we don't want it to take as long as it takes to put in to take out, even though the process is a lot faster. But I wanted to give some tips for this process. So without just pulling right in the middle, you have to start at the end of the hair, and then that way you will not have to worry about cutting or detangling any of that stuff. And then if you did do the rubber band method like I did, you want to just pop or cut the rubber band. And you want to do this because your hair is kind of like wrapped around it, or so your hair is just like intermingled within the twist, but the fake hair is like tied around the rubber band. So then you just want to gently pull your hair out. And I say gently because your hair can easily break off if you're just like pulling too hard and not really realizing what you're doing. But as you can see, I'm pulling like very gently. Voila. So far this has only taken me like less than 5 minutes, and I would say it's taking me a little bit longer because I'm trying to show you all how to actually do this. And I'm just so sad to be taking these down. I mean, I am not doing it because I want to. I'm doing it because I need to. I need to wash my hair, and I need to, you know, move on to the next style. I've had this in for a little over 2 weeks now, and I did it for a trip. So find the rubber band, pop the rubber band or cut, and then gently pull your hair out. I guess my hair is longer than I anticipated. So I'm gonna do like one side and then do the rest off camera, and I'm gonna tell you about how long it took me, and we're gonna time it, okay? Oh, some of these rubber bands, I'm definitely gonna have to get, ouch, scissors, because some of these rubber bands are so strong, which I'm thankful for because they held the style in place, but in this case, when I'm just like trying to get them out, they are not wanting to come out. So all right, so I basically am taking out one side, and let me show you. Ooh, back to the natural hair. So let me show you what time it is. Right now it's 4:19, and I'm gonna show you the time when I get back to show you that it only will end up taking me anywhere from like 30 minutes to 45. And so this is just like the quickest way to get it done, especially if you got other things to do. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, let me show you the time. I didn't take any breaks, and it is 5:07, and if you remember, I started at 4:19, and this is kind of like a cute twist out. Okay, let's see. Yes. Anyway, so this method of taking out your passion twist works if you're doing the rubber band method. I imagine that if you got your hair done and you did the braid at the beginning, that it would even take shorter time for you to take down. As long as you start with untwisting the hair at the bottom, then it should not take that long, because that's usually the part that takes the longest, because you're trying to untangle it and all those things. So I really hope this video was helpful. Be sure to check out the passion twist video here, how to do passion twist, and then also check out how to style your passion twist when it's been a few weeks and you haven't, and you need to get them done again, but you can't just yet. And I will see you in my next upload. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Doodles.